cover view on the S&B intake kit for the Nissan Titan. The first thing you'll notice is just how big of a filter the intake comes with. So this conical S&B filter flows a ton, has a huge inlet, and just a ton more surface area than the stock panel filter. So the stock panel filter has to pull through these pleats. The S&B intake kit has pleats all the way around, deep pleats, and just a ginormous filter. Then another big reason why the S&B just performs a lot better than the OEM is the side scoop. So we replaced the OEM plastic side scoop with the side scoop that mounts directly to the fender, and you can see the OEM piece can fit well inside the factory side scoop, or the S&B side scoop. Then we also have an additional inlet right here that pulls air from right above, so all the air that comes in above the headlight and through the hood gets sucked into the intake kit. Then there's just a straight shot right through the throttle body through the S&B smooth tube that doesn't have any baffles or restrictions.